Hello, beautiful people. I just ordered this portable bidet off of Temu, and I ordered two different ones, but they are absolutely identical. The same bottle, same, no difference. Same thing. I've already tested them. They work very good. Same push button, same way of charging it. Everything is absolutely identical. Same tops. They seal nice. I don't know why I paid $1 more for one than the other. One was called a Pro. So I don't know what that was about. Oh, and they come with this same little bag. They're identical. Little, like, nylon-y, water-resistant bag. That's all. I didn't try it out yet. I mean, I tested it. They work. They both work. They spray real nice. But don't pay the extra money. If it says, like, one's white and one's white pro, don't pay the extra. They're both the same. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I thought I'd do a demonstration. This is the top of the bottle, which I have now water in. And that sits in there. This peels off, opens up, then it screws in here like this. And it's not like you're screwing it on for very hard or whatever, like very deep into the thing. That's it. There's a gap here. And then this screws on like that. And then this is the on-off button. And it's got a good sprayer. I'm going to show you in the tub because it sprays really far. Spinning. So I'm way over here at the edge of the tub and it's hitting the wall. And splashing everywhere. That's low. And then that's high. It works good. It's got good spray. I mean, it's spraying way over there. You can see the tiles getting dark gray. That's from the water hitting it. So, and then that's high. Hopefully you can see it. It's kind of hard. It's hard to see water. And we're out of water. So now you know how long it lasts. 1 minute and 28 seconds-ish. Thank you for watching.